Hello, I'm Jailer Shark from 5-Star Marine, and today I'm going to ask Shaun some random questions that I searched on ChatGTPZQYPT, and he doesn't know what's coming, so to speak. That's it, really. We'll just get straight into it, shall we? All right, good, thanks! Hello.
Hi.
Well, you can see yourself in that camera.
Yeah, it was good.
That's good, isn't it?
Quite handsome, actually.
You are very handsome. Hi, Shaun.
Hey, Jay, how are you?
I'm good, thank you for
You know
asking.
what? I went on tour the other day.
I know you did.
You know what? I did 2 tours in one day.
Well, you did our combo tour, going down to PP and then to Pangai Bay,
No,
I'm
actually,
guessing.
2 actual tours.
Oh, 2 actual tours?
Yeah, I did a sunrise to PP, come back, and then I went and did the bioluminescence tour.
Bioluminescence?
And it
Did you
was
see
great.
any bioluminescence?
And you know what? I got to have lunch at Pear Cruvet, and yes, that is a great recommendation. It was very, very yummy.
Shaun.
And then I had lunch at Maria's Seafood down in Pangai Bay, also very
Can
yummy.
we do this, please?
Okay.
Stop talking about you.
Enough about me, more about you.
Hello, no! Hello, everybody. Thanks for watching our Ask Shaun Anything. Woo woo! That's where the girl did it. Something fun there, I think.
This is our way to answer a bunch of questions that I regularly get answered.
What?
Because
Oh,
it's becoming
asked,
crazy
not
busy.
Asked.
It's becoming crazy busy season, and there are a lot of questions coming my way
Did you need me to write questions that you're going to get asked?
that I would normally get asked. Yeah.
2 seconds.
Jay's planning is doing very well. He forgot his reading glasses, so he couldn't read
Well,
anything.
it wasn't just about the glasses. It's actually, I don't think any of these. Anyway, we'll just go with it, shall
Okay.
we?
Okay.
That wasn't what when you said let's do this video, that's what was I wasn't thinking that.
This is gonna be
Okay, random ask me anything questions for Shaun.
fun. Gosh, I'm worried.
Shaun!
Is this one of those Jimmy Fallon segments?
Yes, sure, I'm going to stand side on and breathe in so you don't see the belly. If you could rename one of our boats, what ridiculous name would you choose and why?
Gosh. Yeah, I've never been asked that question.
I know, Shaun.
And we certainly wouldn't rename one of the Lisa boats because
No, because you'd get your thingies ripped off.
Yes, definitely.
Quickly, it's a quick fire round.
Maybe the anti-Titanic.
Shaun, we have 4 pages of questions.
The anti-Titanic.
Anti-Titanic.
That boat's never sink.
Okay, hey Shaun, what's the weirdest thing a guest has ever brought on board?
Yeah, I can't really say some of these things that they bring them on board.
Was it a lady thing?
Someone has brought on a pleasure enhancement tool.
Ooh.
Where we have had to advise them that these things are illegal in Thailand.
Are they?
Yeah, they're illegal.
Okay, edible.
Illegal.
Oh,
They're illegal. They're illegal. They're illegal.
Oh, illegal, not edible.
Yes,
I think.
and more than that, illegal on my boats. None of that stuff on the boats, guys. We're not an OnlyFans boat.
Okay, no OnlyFans here. Well, apart from over there. If you were stranded on a deserted island, which member of the 5-star team would you not want to be with and why?
Ooh, that's a good question.
This could be politically.
I would say Sunwa.
Sunwa? Why would you not want to be on a deserted island with Sunwa?
Because she gets angry at me about 35 times a day, so I can imagine it would be me swimming away from the island very, very
She would
fast.
kill you on that island. Hey, Shaun, this is a random question. Would you rather fight 1 Lisa-sized Lucas or 10 Lucas-sized Lisas? Now, when I wrote this question, I realised it doesn't come across very well. It's from that old question about would you rather fight 1 chicken-sized horse or 10 chicken... No, hold on. 1 chicken-sized
Basically,
horse or
ask me
10...
would I fight Lisa or Lucas?
Would you fight Lisa or Lucas?
I would take Lucas.
Do you reckon you could take him?
No, he'd still beat me, but not as badly as Lisa would
That's
beat
right.
me.
Hey, Shaun, if 5-Star Marine had a theme song, what would it be?
We will survive. We will survive.
I Will Survive?
Yeah.
Gloria Gaynor?
Yeah, I like this song.
Okay. Hey, Shaun, what's your go-to karaoke song after a long day of tours?
Don't do karaoke. I sing horrible. You know they used to have that sing star thing?
Yes.
Yeah, I always failed. I was the worst person in the room. I don't do it. I don't like to do it. It's embarrassing. We will survive.
Okay. Hey, Shaun. Sorry. If dolphins could talk, what do you think they'd say about us?
That Jay guy, we really hate him. He hates us, but we hate him more than he hates us.
Fair point.
I think it's a fair
Yeah.
point. You talk a lot of smack to these. If these dolphins,
Don't like dolphins.
ever found a way to come into our pier, come up here, they'd beat the crap out of you.
Don't
Just
like
letting you
dolphins.
know, man. The dolphins are listening.
Hey, should we keep going, Shaun? This is fun, isn't it? Hey, Shaun, if 5-Star Marine opened a restaurant, what's the most questionable thing you'd put on the menu? It's a weird question.
Pork.
Pork, yes. There's a long story behind that. Anyway, we'll move on. Hey, Shaun, if 5-Star Marine was a reality TV show, what would it be called?
The Secret Lives of Phuket Expats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that
Shush
would be-
dog.
If we did a reality TV show, I reckon one day we could film an entire season. There's so many plot lines that happen in a day.
Oh, it's random. Hey, Shaun, if you could
I'm
secretly
trying to lick
swap...
my feet.
Who licked your feet?
The
Oh,
dog.
trouble.
Yeah.
Hey, Shaun, if you could secretly swap jobs with anyone of the team for a day, who would it be and why?
Jay,
Why?
100% of the time.
Because I get to work from home most
No,
of the
I
time.
message Jay. What are you doing? I'm lying on a couch having a rest.
I do.
Jay, what are you doing? I had a really busy weekend. I'm resting. Jay, what are you doing? I'm going to bed because I'm tired.
Fair point, to be fair. I am old. Hey, Shaun, if you could rename Phuket with a totally new name, what would it be and why?
No, pass.
Okay, fair enough.
I don't want the governor to hear whatever
No.
I'm going to say there.
Hey, Shaun,
I need my visa stamped again.
Shaun, be honest here. How many coconuts is too many coconuts in one day?
0. I hate coconuts.
Do you?
It's horrible. It's disgusting. I don't like it. Don't like
you
it cool. I don't like it fresh.
Not even a Bounty bar.
I don't even like the
Oh.
coconut ice cream, and I certainly don't like the what's this the skin on the inside of the coconut people like to eat.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't like it. 100%
We
don't like it.
apologise if the GoPro's moving. My dog Trouble's eating the stand.
Hey,
Anyway,
Trouble.
hey Shaun, what's your secret Phuket food stop that you've never told me about?
Ooh. Som Tam Lam Tui.
Somtam Lam Chui?
Yes.
Okay, where's that?
It is in Talang. It's a great sometime shop.
Okay.
Food.
Hey Shaun, if 5-Star Marine had to build an office on one island, which would you choose and why?
Can it be a lagoon and not an island?
Yeah, it'd be quite wet.
I would like to set my office up in Pile Lagoon.
Okay, what else is in Pile Lagoon at the moment, Shaun? Your phone. That's right. Shaun dropped his phone in Pile Lagoon the other day. Hence why we had to change every single number because it wasn't just any old phone. Oh no, it was a 5-Star Marine phone with the SIM card, the 5-Star Marine SIM card, and we lost the number. Hence why you might have got an email recently saying that Shaun lost the phone. So well done, Shaun. Don't take it
I
in.
was enjoying the lagoon. It's
That's
a
right.
beautiful Lagoon.
Hey Shaun, which Phuket beach would you survive a zombie apocalypse on? That's a weird question.
Yeah.
I guess you need a beach. I tell you what I would choose is up at Naithon Beach with the little stairs that go down because then you can limit who's going to come. You know where they're coming from. They're only coming from one place.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking my cow.
Why?
Pretty rocky there. I
What,
think I
zombies
could-
don't like rocks?
No, I think I can push some zombies into the rock and it gets a bit wavy
It
there.
hits their heads and stuff.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
yeah.
Hey Shaun, what's the most Phuket? Hello, I get this right. Hey Shaun, what's the most Phuket thing that's ever happened to you?
Can I plead the fifth?
Yeah, and then we can move on with that
I
one.
think with this one we don't want to cover
Just
that.
put a big sign that says Susie Wong's. Okay, hey Shaun, what's the weirdest excuse a guest has given for being late to the pier? Shush dogs.
I only just got home from Bangla Road and I haven't showered yet.
It's fair enough. Hey Shaun, who's more likely to get lost on an island tour? I think it's staff.
What staff member is most likely?
Shall I ask that question again?
One of our
Hey Shaun,
interns, actually. They probably don't even know where the islands
do you
are.
say are the interns going out on tour?
Yeah, they're going out. They're starting to go out.
Okay,
Yeah, ask them where PP is on a map. They can't point it out.
there Shaun.
That's what a year's worth of schooling does.
Well,
don't
they
even know
should
where
watch
the
our
islands are.
videos. Hey Shaun,
Luckily, they come here to 5-Star Marine. They learn everything they need to know so they can become a 5-Star Marine.
do you think
team
I'm saying
member.
hey Shaun too much?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, hey Shaun, if 5-Star Marine was the Avengers, who would be Iron Man?
Well, that's pretty egotistic.
See, Iron Man, no, because you're going to say yourself, aren't you? Because you're the
Yeah.
smart, yeah.
No, not about that actually.
Oh.
It's because it's if you go through the timeline of Avengers, Iron Man was the first Avenger. So in our company, I am the first guide, captain, engineer,
Let's move on.
admin team. So
Move on. Talking Avengers.
I would call you Thor because you have a big hammer.
What did he say?
You like that one, didn't you? That tickled
I've been
you.
waiting for that one.
Did you? That tickled you. Hey, Shaun, who takes longer to record a video because they keep laughing at their own jokes or they muck up a lot?
You.
That's me.
You know, I filmed 2 vlogs in the space of about 20 minutes the other day. One single take on a camera, none of these dual cameras and microphones and stands and everything. I just held it with my hand and filmed it.
And I filmed the weather intro and it took me 3 attempts. And it was just the intro. Hey, Shaun.
It's because the weather changed each time that you did the intro. It was like, it's raining. Oh, well, it's raining. Oh, it's sunny. No, it's sunny.
Hey, Shaun. If we both get stranded on a deserted island, who's surviving longer?
I'm eating you, so I'm surviving.
Really?
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Cause then I start to taste them. I say,
Yeah, I'll go full cannibal. Don't you worry.
Ooh.
Yep.
Hey, I got a movie once on
Plus,
a DVD.
you're a little bit fatter than me, so I think...
A little bit, a lot fatter.
Eating you makes sense because there's more meat there available.
I have got a lot of meat, Shaun. I have. That comes down to the Thor hammer thing as well,
Doesn't
it?
Yeah.
Hey, Shaun. Here's a question that
No
I
wonder you
preempted.
don't get any dates because all these girls are worried about the Thor hammer. Huh?
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna Thor hammer you right up. Hey, Shaun. Who's more likely to accidentally drop their phone in the lagoon?
Me.
There you go.
Phone, sunglasses,
Everything.
wallet.
Hey.
Not allowed to carry anything on me.
Hey, Shaun. Who's most likely to forget sun cream and blame everyone else?
That's me.
That's right.
You all know I've been on tour because I'm bright red. I'm either red or white. That's it.
I have one more question for our randomly asked questions to Shaun today. If there was a movie about 5-star Marine, who would play me and who would play you?
Ooh, that'd be cool. I think
I'm going Denzel.
no. I'm going
Denzel
I'm
play
going
me.
Ryan Reynolds for you. Yeah, Ryan Reynolds.
He doesn't look nothing like me. I want him. Denzel looks much more like me.
And shout out Walton Goggins is doing me because that's the coolest guy on earth.
Oh, Walton Goggins. I've been
I
out for
love
lunch with Walton
Walton
Goggins.
Goggins.
He came
No,
on the
he's
boat with us. Oh,
such
Walton
a
Goggins.
great
He came and did
character
charity
actor.
stuff with us. He's such a great hand. I got my son signed a picture of him, Walton Goggins.
And here's a photo of us with Walton.
Anyway, thank you, Shaun. That concludes our randomly ask Shaun any questions. What a great video.
And I had no idea what we were doing.
Really didn't. We can go now. I'll wrap it
Like,
up.
comment, subscribe.
That's my bit.
Yeah.
Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. He's already done it. If you got any questions for Shaun randomly, then comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.